Grading academics can be done in different ways, depending on the school, curriculum, or even class. In this SAFSIMS tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to set up grading formats and assessment formats. It all starts from the admin dashboard. After logging in using your username and password, go to Settings on the bottom left. Then click Grading from the pop-up list on the right. Click on Add Grade Format to begin. One great thing about SAFSIMS is that it provides a template, so you never have to start from scratch. So once the pop-up appears, click Use Template. You can either use the standard marking scheme or the one used by the West African Examining Body. Click Submit, preview the grades and their respective scores, then click Save. If you're not okay with what it looks like, click the Options button on the format, then edit to your liking. And you're done! Now, you've set up the grading format, but you also need to set up the assessment format to state how much Tests 1, Test 2, and exams contribute to the overall grade. You start by clicking on Settings, then select Assessments. On the Assessments page, select the blue button that says Add Assessments. Again, you never have to start from scratch on SAFSIMS, so click Use Template to see the options available. Choose the applicable option, then click Use Template. Click Preview, then save if you're okay with it, or go back if you have a correction to make. Now you're done creating the grading format and the assessment format. But if you don't assign them to a class, you won't be able to use them to assess your students. What you need to do is to click on Settings again, then select Sessions and Terms. Click on the Settings button for your current term, then select Grading Format. You'll be able to see all the formats you've created. If your school is only for primary school students, you can select all the classes in the primary level. But if you have a secondary school section, you can use another grading format for those class levels. When you're done, click Assessments from the row of options and assign the assessment format to classes just like you did with the grading format. With that, you now know how to create and assign grading formats and assessment formats on the SAFSIMS portal. For more information, visit www.safsims.com.